Let me share with you this beautiful pattern called Infinite Shippo. Shippo means 7 treasures in English, and it refers to 7 treasures of Buddhism. Those interlocking circles symbolize the pattern of good omens, wishes for happiness, and good luck. When I was working with this idea of Shippo, I was drawn to the beautiful wisteria flowers in the springtime in Kyoto. And here is my sketchbook over here. They're not circles, but they keep going on and on and on. And my translation was working with circles. The cluster of wisteria flowers reminded me of the interlocking circles of Shippo. And in my sketchbook, I start drawing the wisteria flowers, and slowly but surely, with a color palette of wisteria purple and the hint of fuchsia, this pattern came to life. And as a result, this is what we came up with.